Hey, what's up? My name is Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining co-deal sourcing. What is co-deal sourcing? You might have heard the term bandied around. Co-deal sourcing is very simple. Firstly, I need to define deal sourcing. Once I've defined deal sourcing, I can then define co-sourcing or co-deal sourcing. Deal sourcing is when you find a deal, you source it, you package it, and you sell it to an investor. Deal packaging, deal sourcing, deal selling. It's an extremely lucrative investment strategy because even though you're not investing in the property yourself, you're investing your time into finding the property. And you can do this with very little money. To package and sell a deal, all you need is a deal, you need investors, you need a reputation, and you need a business that is compliant where you can legally sell a deal through that company. Very lucrative. Many of my students package and sell deals without owning property and make tens of thousands of pounds per month. I myself have packaged and sold hundreds of property investment deals. Never owned them, never paid for them, just passed them on. And the average fee that you'll get from an investor is between £2,000 and £3,000. So that's deal selling, that's deal sourcing. What's co-deal sourcing? Co-deal sourcing is when you do the same thing, but this time you don't need an investor list. You don't need a company that's compliant. You don't need a reputation. The only thing you need is deals. So you find a deal, and then you co-source it with someone who's compliant, with someone who's got an investor list, with someone that's got a company. So you approach, instead of approaching investors and trying to flog a deal to investors, you approach up and running deal packaging firms. And there's loads of them. There's people that became compliant, built an investor list, they've got everything, all the ducks in a row, they just haven't got deals. And I've got a Facebook group with over 28,000 members, and a lot of them are deal sourcers with investors, with companies, just without deals. So a co-deal sourcer is for you if you're really good at finding property investment deals, or you've got the time to find deals, but you just haven't got the inclination to build an investor list. You haven't got the compliance side of things. So you're going to find the deal, you're going to approach somebody who's got a deal sourcing company already, and you're going to say, hey, would you like this deal to sell to your investors? And if so, my fee's £2,000 and that's what I want from the deal. And then they'll sell it for £4,000 and you'll both make £2,000 each. Very, very simple. This is just joint venture. Most people in business, most people in property, they've been forced to joint venture and collaborate with other people. I collaborate with people all the time. I've collaborated with co-deal sources. I've collaborated with people that find properties. I've put the money in. I've collaborated where I've not put any money in and they've put the money in, but I've got the deal. Collab. When you know how to collab, when you know how to co-deal source, when you know how to joint venture, when you know how to network, what happens is suddenly everything becomes possible. People will tell you, you can't do that because you haven't got the money. You can't do that because you haven't got the this or the that or the other. Well, find someone that has got it and collaborate. This is how I grew my YouTube channel in the early days. I collaborated with other YouTubers. You've got to start collaborating. So if you've got questions about co-deal sourcing, about how it works, comment below and I will do a part 2 and I'll answer all of your nitty-gritty questions around co-deal sourcing. But guys, you've got to start networking, you've got to start putting yourself out there, and you've got to take massive, massive action. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell and drop a comment in the box below, because do you know how many theorists I hear? Do you know what a theorist is? A theorist is someone that just talks. They talk about all the nitty gritty. I'm not about that, I'm about doing. And I believe when people watch my videos, what happens is they just start doing. And that's why so many people are successful as a result of my YouTube channel. So if you want to help spread the word, if you want to help more people become successful, more people become doers and implementers and becoming financially free and successful in property, then please do share this video and drop a comment and smash the like button, because more people will see the video. That is the only thing I want from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe.